actually taking a small pause here, and we will come back again, maybe after 3-4 months for level 2, and then probably level 3 and level 4. So that's the intent, that you all should pass through 4 levels of STAR program. And personally speaking, myself and Anil have been working since last 7-8 years, more than I think 20-25 programs together, different organizations, different settings, different levels, different departments. Some of the exercises and some of the concepts, for me it's like 10th time I am hearing or 12th time I am listening to that. But still, still I feel that some new juice I have gotten from the same concept today. Maybe the style is different, the example is different, or the level of the debriefing is different. For the same exercise, I have seen him giving the download to a team which is like Sunil Thomas and team, or Santosh and Joyce and team, same exercise, but the examples and the level and the connection is like different level. Trust me, in terms of designing the workshop, it takes longer than delivering the workshop. There's a lot of work which actually goes behind designing the workshop, keeping in mind your KRAs, your name, your gender, your tenure, your level, and then devising strategy, devising content, an example, passing it through the supervisors, getting their endorsement. So Deepa and Anil are excellent in that. I used to contribute a lot of time in terms of design when I inducted him into the network marketing system. Now everything he is doing. So my involvement in terms of the designing is almost now negligible, because I know that रात में उठा के अगर खड़ा करो बोलो अनिल ये टीम आया है, and I'm sure he will deliver it. So my confidence is very, very high on his understanding of the entire business model is amazing. And, so many trainers and the facilitators who came to my organization every month, weekly, fortnightly, brochure coming, they are sending me CDs, they are actually making very strong pitch, try me out, but somewhere I am not being comfortable to try any other trainer but Tony Thomas. So that's the comfort of my life with him, and the confidence also. Coming back, in fact, I was not planning to come here. That was my initial thought. Reason being, 2 reasons. Next week is challenging week for us. It's a shorter week, and plus a couple of very important meetings are there. Raghav is coming from Delhi for review of the quarter, plus the press scenario, and plus Joyson is not there. Joyson is in US, plus Santosh Nal is not there. Zubair is not there. I am the only alternate now. Should I come? Should I not come? Can he manage? I am sure he will manage. But somewhere, attraction of Anil's nectar of wisdom, I thought, okay, let me come here. Spend only 2 hours with you and start the program and go. That was my second decision point. Then I thought, okay, let me stay till the lunch hours. And then I decided, no, let me make it a try to make the presentation here itself. Yesterday I was not actually very comfortable and not been able to concentrate in terms of presentation. ध्यान बार-बार वो अनिल के concept के ऊपर जा रहा था. So last night I decided, okay, in the morning I leave, but मैं अभी तक हूँ यहाँ पे. And so कुछ जादू है and कुछ ऐसा magnet है जो मुझे रोकता है बार. And for this entire 4 modules of the workshop, for this batch and the next batch, and now Network It in Delhi they have started sniffing कि क्या program तुम लोग कर रहे हो, बड़े इसके चर्चे हो रहे हैं, तो can we do that for the Delhi team also. In short, मैं आधे घंटा की बात कर सकता हूँ. What is Anil Thomas, mustard seed, my connection with him. There is a lot of seeds are sown by Anil in my life. What I was in 2007 and what I am in 2012, there is a huge difference, and there are tests there are psychometric tests, and we were zapped when we saw the result that Sanjeev, who is actually very high on SNC, बाद में सीखेंगे आप लोग क्या है सब DISC, Sanjeev is suddenly very high in DNI. ये कैसे हुआ मैं भी नहीं जानता, but ये हो गया. So somewhere all these concepts are actually coming into your eardrums, and your limiting beliefs are converting into the empowering beliefs. So thank you so much, Anil. Actually short of words, still after speaking for close to 10 minutes, you are doing a remarkable job for all of us, and if we all can go back and try to implement at least 2-3 nectar of the wisdom, I'm sure life will be very, very different. So let's join hand and work together and take money control, Web 18 and Network 18 to a greater heights. All the very best. I really enjoyed being with you all. Sorry for the non-veg jokes, but that was also tactically planted. मुझे लगा यार more than half are unmarried, less than 25 years of age. I am the 40 years of odd man out. No bosses are there, and plus they were actually celebrating and whispering, अच्छा है कोई boss नहीं आया. अच्छा है कोई boss नहीं आया. And suddenly a new guy who is meeting for the first time from HR and senior guy with them. तो एक थोड़ा सा discomfort दिख रहा था मुझे. कभी मैंने इतने jokes कोई भी प्रोग्राम में नहीं सुनाए. He is the witness of that. I never, I used to sing songs, maybe couple of jokes and go, but entire level 1 and folder 1, I opened. There are actually more folders to it, but yes, thoroughly enjoyed.
Level 2
में folder.
Create folders now.
So thank you so much. यहाँ से अपना बहुत ही छोटा एजेंडा है, चाय पियेंगे और उसके बाद में एक अपना ग्रुप का फोटो होगा, probably near the porch, and उसके बाद में बस में and straight.
Thank you, Sanjeev.